We are going to start with a month. So hopefully you have a month prep to get ready for that hot date or whatever it might be. So the first thing I want you to do is think about all whole, real foods. So get rid of
and we talk about
sugar.
This all the time. Get rid of processed food and excess sugar.
Exactly.
Right?
The processed packaged foods, the extra sugar, and I'm going to say the alcohol too. It's just a month. We are going to fill the house, fill the fridge, fill the pantry with whole real foods like fruits and vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, lean proteins, eggs. Okay, so when it comes to the formula that you really want to think about for this month, you want to think about protein, so you want that lean protein to keep you satisfied,
right?
Loads of veggies, and healthy fat. Now, that's not to say that you can't throw in a sweet potato or some whole grains. You can, but think of that formula as the basis for most of your meals.
Gotcha.
Think about greens. You want to add in green veggies at least a couple times a day. Your digestive health is so important. Your gut health is so important because it's linked to your immune system,
right?
But it's also linked to weight loss. So you can start with adding in a fermented food. I know you like fermented foods. Or you can add a probiotic. So I just added a probiotic to water right here. Super easy. It's also a great way to get you drinking in the morning, and you want to drink all day. And what you want to drink throughout this month is water, tea, and again, like I said, get rid of as much alcohol as possible, a little bit of coffee, but definitely get rid of those carbonated beverages. When you're trying to lose weight through this month, you might want to ditch them.
Gotcha.